Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. For this video, we'll be going through an unboxing of a blue theme booster from Kamigawa Neon Dynasty. And this is from Magic the Gathering, released by Wizards of the Coast in the early part of 2022. I dare say actually the first quarter of 2022. So continuing on, looking through the in total 6 theme boosters from Kamigawa. This will be the 5th booster I'm now looking at, and before this we would have looked at green, black, white and ninjas. So after this blue one it will just be the red theme booster left, and that will wrap up the 6 boosters for Kamigawa. So here we have the front of the blue theme booster with a human character who seems to be holding a fish. Different. Hopefully this card is also in the set. So that's the front, the back, stock standard that we've seen across all the theme boosters, with the wording being changed to accommodate enhancing your blue deck. So that's the box side of things. In terms of what is inside, I feel there must be an easy way of doing this. This is where I would actually ponder if using a craft knife would actually help. Okay, blue deck, a RFID device, which apparently they do actually put in some of these at the point of manufacturing. So 35 cards to look at, possibly 36 if that last card is actually included as a card. Maybe one, maybe I should count. So as we know, Friday Night Magic, stock standard, and this will be the rare. Would have been fun if it was a mythic and I called it a rare. March of Swirling Mist. Instant. As an additional cost to cast this spell, you may exile any number of blue cards from your hand. This spell costs 2 less to cast for each card exiled this way. Interesting move. Up to X target creatures phase out. While they're phased out, they're treated as though they don't exist. Each one phases in before its controller untaps during their next untap step. That seems like a very powerful card. Assuming you can basically cast it for free, depending how lucky you are with a number of blue cards in your hand, you could probably save a lot of your army from being taken out by the enemy, and then bring them into play when you need them. That's very nice. Not a bad card indeed. So this is the blue deck, so the remaining 34 cards, probably a nice combination of commons and uncommons. So here we go. Okay, that looks cool. Artifact vehicle, Futurist Center. Reminds me of the Myrmidons from War Machine, from one of the factions there. Boy, that was fun back in the day as well. Mech Hangar, in fact I think we've seen that one in the white deck, I believe. Paper Decoy. I know I've seen this Hoverbike. Circuit Hacker. So not bad going through them so far. Uncommon, Legendary Enhancement Creature Shrine, Network Terminal. There you go. Prosperous Thief. So that would be the card, well, the full artwork of the front of the theme booster box, and that's also an uncommon. Going through a few more. So far so good. Getting close to the end. Almost there. Some of these artifact vehicles are very nice looking. And that's it. So that is the end of the 35 cards for a blue themed deck. Some very nice artwork. It is very nice to see the actual cover, well, the actual card of the cover in the actual deck as well. Although I'm sure it's probably common enough that pick up a few boosters, you'll probably find it that way as well. So that is the end of the unboxing of the theme, well, blue theme booster. Thank you very much for watching this video. Feel free to leave a like, comment, subscribe if you wish to do so. All of this does help support the channel, and I do greatly appreciate it. Extra content can also be found on my Instagram account, link below. Stay safe and take care, and I will catch everyone in the next video. See ya.